Mercury, the smallest planet in our solar system, is on a collision course with Earth. The unimaginable happens. Mercury crashes into Earth, transforming both planets into a ball of magma. As the two celestial bodies merge, the resulting impact is catastrophic, causing massive seismic activity, volcanic eruptions, and a complete reshaping of the Earth's surface. This cosmic catastrophe begins with Mercury's orbit becoming unstable, possibly due to gravitational influences from other planets or a rogue asteroid passing through our solar system. Mercury, which orbits the Sun at an average distance of approximately 58 million kilometers, is pulled out of its trajectory and sent hurtling towards Earth. The journey takes several months, during which scientists and astronomers around the world work tirelessly to predict the exact point of impact and the potential consequences. As Mercury approaches, its gravitational pull starts to affect Earth, causing unprecedented tidal waves and disrupting weather patterns. The closer Mercury gets, the more intense these effects become. Coastal cities are evacuated as ocean levels rise, and the Earth's atmosphere begins to heat up due to the increased gravitational energy. The night sky is lit up by the approaching planet, creating a spectacle that is both awe-inspiring and terrifying. When the collision finally occurs, the impact is beyond anything humanity has ever experienced. The kinetic energy released is equivalent to billions of nuclear bombs detonating simultaneously. The Earth's crust is shattered and the mantle is exposed, releasing molten rock and gases into the atmosphere. The collision generates massive shock waves that travel around the globe, causing earthquakes and tsunamis of unprecedented scale. The immediate aftermath sees the Earth and Mercury merging into a single molten mass. The heat generated by the impact is so intense that it vaporizes large portions of both planets' surfaces. The atmosphere is filled with ash and debris, blocking out sunlight and plunging the planet into darkness. The temperature on the surface soars, making it impossible for any form of life to survive. In the months and years following the impact, the Earth slowly begins to cool. The molten rock solidifies, forming a new crust. Volcanic activity remains high as the planet's interior continues to churn and release heat. Over time, the atmosphere clears and the sun's rays once again reach the surface. However, the Earth is now a vastly different place, with new landforms and a completely altered climate. This cataclysmic event serves as a stark reminder of the dynamic and ever-changing nature of our solar system. While the odds of such a collision are extremely low, it highlights the importance of understanding and monitoring the movements of celestial bodies. Advances in technology and space exploration continue to improve our ability to predict and potentially mitigate such disasters, ensuring the safety and survival of life on Earth.